Hi, this is Adriana, and this is about the fourth thing that happens to your brain when you dance. And it's like dancing slows down aging and boosts memory. So there's this neuroscientist, Dr. Katzman, and he believes that the more complex or neuronal synapses are, the better. And he believes that we should do whatever we can to create new neural paths. And dancing, it's a great way to do that. As people get older, the brain cells die and the synapses become weaker. A synapse is the message sent from one neuron to another. So when it's harder to remember things, most likely it's because there's only one neural pathway that leads to that type of information. So the brain is always learning, and it learns through creation. And if you work on learning new things like dancing, you can work on building different mental routes and many paths. So if one path is lost as a result of age, you have an alternative path that you can access stored information and memories. So it's not, it also enhances not only the memory, but the attention span and concentration. And the information you're learning, when you combine it with the emotion, when you're dancing, you're listening to all this music and everything, you create all these emotions, and when you combine both, it becomes a long-term memory. So there you have it. Dancing will slow down aging and will boost your memory. So thank you for watching, and this is part of a series of videos for the $100 video challenge within SalesVision Business Games. So just go to the link below, read the description. You can get more information and find out more about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.